Ever sat through a training session that felt like it was designed for a 5-year-old? You're sitting there, listening to a lecture, flipping through endless slides and thinking, I don't have time for this. I just need the key takeaways. Well, you're not alone. That frustration stems from a mismatch in how adults actually learn, a concept known as andragogy. In this video, I'll explore what andragogy really means, how it's different from pedagogy, why understanding adult learning is crucial for personal and professional growth. Ready to unlock the secrets of how adults learn best? Let's dive in. Let's take a quick trip back in time. In 1833, German educator Alexander Kapp introduced the term andragogy to describe Plato's ideas on lifelong learning. He believed that education wasn't just for kids, it was something that continued throughout life. Fast forward to the 20th century, and along comes Malcolm Knowles, an American educator who said, "Hold on, adults don't learn like kids." Knowles dusted off andragogy and redefined it, showing that adults learn better when they're self-directed, draw on life experiences to make sense of new concepts, need learning to be practical and immediately relevant. So, what exactly makes adult learning so different? Think about the first time you learned to ride a bike. You probably had training wheels, lots of guidance, and maybe even a helping hand holding onto the seat. Now compare that to learning how to drive a car. You likely relied on past experiences, practiced real-world skills, and learned at your own pace. That's the difference between pedagogy, child-focused learning, and andragogy, adult-focused learning. Let's break it down. Learner's self-concept. Kids rely on teachers for guidance. Adults prefer self-direction. Role of experience. Kids start fresh. Adults bring prior knowledge that shapes their learning. Readiness to learn. Kids learn what's in the curriculum. Adults learn what helps them now. Motivation. Kids want grades. Adults want real-world impact. So, if adults learn so differently, why are so many training programs still designed like school? Here's the thing. Learning doesn't stop after we graduate. Whether you're advancing your career, switching industries, or just trying to keep up with technology, learning as an adult is about gaining practical skills you can apply immediately. That's why andragogy is so important. It respects your time. No fluff, just what you need. It builds on your experience. No need to start from scratch. It's problem-centered, meaning you learn what actually matters to you. And this applies everywhere, from workplace training to online courses to personal growth. Here's the bottom line. Learning isn't just for kids, it's for life. Whether you're mastering a new software, picking up a second language, or training for a leadership role, understanding how adults learn best can transform your education journey. Key takeaways: andragogy focuses on self-directed, experience-based learning. Adult learners want practical, real-world applications. Lifelong learning is the key to growth, both personally and professionally. Now it's your turn. What's one skill you've learned as an adult that you wish was taught differently? Let's chat in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Remember, we ensure your creativity and innovations are simplified.